Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device without using your buttons. So usually, if you want to take screenshot, you just hold down power key and volume down at the same time, like this, for about a second, and that's how you can take screenshot. But there's actually another methods to take screenshot. For example, you can just go to the upper bar and you have the screenshot button here, and it works exactly the same way as these buttons combinations. Or you have other methods too. You can just go to the settings first and go to the accessibility features, then go to the accessibility, then go to the not accessibility, but to shortcuts and gesture, take screenshot, and as you can see here, you can just knuckle screenshot, take full screenshot, partial screenshot, or scroll shot, just like this, and it's as you can see, it takes screenshot. Or you can activate this 3-finger screenshot and just wow. You can take a partial screenshot like this, and you will have this area as a screenshot. Unbelievable. You can take the scroll shot like this. Wow. Okay. And you can also take this 3-finger screenshot like this, and it's the normal screenshot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.